Hey, how's it going, guys? I found a like an isometric voxel office building online. It's like a stock image, so I'm currently copying it. I'm not gonna put it into my game. I'm just more doing this so I can try to get a feel of like making a building and how the engine works properly, so I can I just feel more comfortable creating. Over here you can see I'm trying to like measure each side so it's equal, because I don't want it to be like 4 on one side and like 5 on one side. Even though that one block really doesn't mean much, but it's like it just looks better. And I'm using the image a lot just for a general basis of what I want. And yeah, just taking the image in, trying to see what I can do with that. Again, I'm not gonna steal it. It's not my work. I'm not gonna pretend it is. But I'm just using this as a current basis of what I want to try edit. You know, maybe this is somewhere you can buy and you can make a room inside this office, your studio, or it could be an actual office building. You can hire like a CEO or a CFO or whatever, like in Coffee Inc. too. But yeah, it's just to get a general idea of it, making the glass and that an actual texture, which comes up soon. And yeah, I feel like it's good practice, because it gets me a general idea of what I want to do, really. And I really don't think that my building is gonna stray much further than what I'm making here. Also, I'm jumping between brushes here. I'm not sure if you guys have used Magic of Voxel before, but again, I'm not very well versed. But the F brush is like a face, so the face area, the surface area of what I'm editing right now. So like you see, I have the face area on, and it only selects that wall, that face. So with me doing that, I can like click, hold down on it and move it around to remove only that area of the face. Or if I click when I have attach on, it will add a extra layer on top of it, which is sick. As like, it's actually really cool, to be honest. I think it looks awesome. And I just leveled out the entire inside of the building and then re-added walls in, because I thought, fuck it, you know, it kind of, it looks sick. It kind of looks awesome, and it'll make the glass fit in nicely. And then when I actually make it like glass, you know, lower the opacity and whatever with the actual material, I can make it look like, oh, there's actually an inside to the building. I did not make any furniture because bite me, I don't know. But no, yeah, and I'm just making the wall. There's other brushes I could use. I don't fully know how I would use them properly. Like I think it was the C one, which allows me to copy what I have selected on the grid, but it really confuses me. I think it's like for copy and pasting almost, but it's like a more painty, attachy kind of thing. It's too confusing for me. I'm not well versed in this enough to describe it correct. But here I am being lazy and just copying and pasting the glass. Yeah, to be honest, I think it looks alright. I completely forgot about the back hole, but thank God I did, because it was really easy to then work on the door properly from the inside. Now I'm just editing the walls, trying to add the windows in. I'm a bit lazy, so I'm just copying and pasting. Just get randomly placed in there and do its own thing. But I don't know. I feel like it's pretty efficient. It does the job, you know. Oh, here's me rendering it. You see, the issue is it's in the ground of the grid. So to fix that, you just lift it up from the grid, and voila, it is perfectly in view now. And I'm just editing with the lights here, just to make it look. It looks really pretty, to be honest. Just the render engine they have makes it look really nice, and that has nothing to do with my work. And there, I'm selecting the color I used. So now when I edit that color on the material section, it only makes that color that material. And then I edited the other light color, the other glass color, sorry, and it is now editing that material as well. So it honestly is sick, like super cool. Like, just the way they do it, just make sure you don't have multiple images. And then there I imported an HDR. So rather than just using a normal like sky, I have like a city background. So it makes it look like that tower is actually in a city and it's looking nice. And you can see from the lights, it's like a general area. And this is me making an isometric export of it. On the bottom right of the grid area, where you can actually, like, the bottom right of the work area, there's like a abbreviation that says ISO. You select that, and then you click on the grid, the triangle grid on the bottom right. You click the area that selects the I'm trying to think of how to describe it. The edge, it's like a diagonal kind of look. So it gets a top-down diagonal look on it, and that creates a very nice isometric view on it. I had to use Reddit to help me find that out, but you know, I think it looks good, and I'm pretty proud of it. I hope you guys like it. I'm not going to use this in the game, like I said, because it's just a literal copy and paste from the other thing I worked on, but I don't think I'm going to stray too far away from it, and I'll try and make some more of it. Also, I use a denoiser plugin to export it and denoise it as well, and I got the denoiser plugin from a GitHub link, which I'll put below, and you can just drag that into your Magic of Voxel file, just all of it. It has its own plugin folder. Unless you already have your own plugin folder, then just drag what's inside the plugin folder inside of that, and easy, you get the whole denoiser thing, and it makes the output look so much better. Honestly, like it looks so much more clean and much more prettier, and then voila, you just choose where you want to put it and easy peasy. Okay, now you go to the bottom right of your screen and click on export, and then click OBJ being the more compatible 3D type. Then name it whatever you want, and place wherever you want. I named it office building because I'm very unique. And then what I did instead, I just right clicked it in File Explorer, and from there right clicked it, open file location. I could just open it there, but I thought it'd be cool to show you. I then opened it in 3D, and now you can spin it around, look at it in 3D, and it looks all nice. And then you can import it into Unreal Engine, or really wherever you'd like. I might just keep it as an image, I'm gonna be honest. We'll have to see about that. And now we got doggy playtime. Just gonna throw some balls around, watch him catch, jump about. He's having a good time. Look at his tail wagging. Homie's out of breath. He's tired. He's tired. He dropped the ball too early. He's tired as hell. Look at him. He's out of here. Okay, so this video isn't exactly more than 10 minutes long, which I was planning on making each devlog, but I am going on a little trip with my dad. So I'll be away for like 2 days, so I won't be able to exactly update this as much as I want. So I thought I'll quickly record what I can now whilst I've just been busy, you know. So whilst I'm gone, I won't be able to update this. I don't want to wait another week, so I'll just put a small one in of the Magic of Voxel tutorial, I guess, because that's really what this one was. Really, it wasn't the best tutorial. Definitely could have actually taught you something, but you know, I would record something while I'm gone, but I'm also awkward as fuck, and I'll be with family, so it'll be weird. But no, yeah, this is all you're getting right now. I'll try to get something properly done next week if I can. I'm editing these videos on my own, and I'm not good at editing, which doesn't help, and I'm not very good at making a nice looking thumbnail either. So that's a bit of an issue. I'm still trying to figure out the logistics of creating a top-down kind of game like this in Unreal Engine, at least. Like, I've created top-down kind of games, or not really a game, but you know, like top-down tests and sideways platformer tests, but I've never properly done a top-down game like this, like an RTS kinda, but not really. So I'm looking around, try to see what I can find, and if I can get myself more introduced to it, I can just start off with Unreal Engine and with a basis of nothing on the floor, and then just get everything mixed in and get the coding done and show you guys what I'm doing, and then I can hopefully teach whoever else is a lost soul trying to figure out how to create what I'm doing. At least the basis of it, I'll make sure to name it something nice to help them, so then they can easily go in, look for it, get what they want, and leave, and then voila, they can make something hopefully phenomenal. But that's really it. That's all I can help you with right now. Yeah, I'll be back soon, and I'll try to get something sent out for you. I did update a Patreon down below. If you guys want to support, and I can hopefully afford money to pay an editor to maybe edit these videos, so I can get more done and then get more sent out. Just faster, more efficient, I think. But also that shouldn't be your concern. But if you want to help, you can. No matter how much is fine. Oh, with the Patreon though, there are different tiers. So like there's like tier 1, which is Prince. That one, you get to join my Discord server, which I did say you could join last time, but I decided I'll make it more like private, I guess, even though I get like 7 views per video, but who cares. But yeah, you get to join the Discord server, you get a shout out at the end. So at the end of each video, be like, hey, thanks to my Patreons, like every other YouTuber, because I'm unoriginal. Then there's the My King one. Now, I'm not trying to say, but that's kind of, damn, My King? Oh my god. That one, you get some of the videos early, so they'll come out a day or two early. Unless I get really good and consistent, then you get it a week early, and that'll be sick. You get a shout out, join the Discord, and I'll put some polls only for patrons on here, so you guys can get your own input and get heard, and then make decisions based on that. That's £10. Then there's My Lover. No, come on, bruh. Come on, My Lover. You know how crazy that is. The My Lover one, you get early access to some in progress music I'm working on, which don't know if you want to hear, but I'm here to you. Patron only polls, YouTube videos early as well. You get to put in fan requests, and your end of video shout out is a bit more zingy, I guess. Like it's more focused on. It's £30 a month, so it is quite expensive. So everyone's name will still get listed. It's just yours will be, I guess, it's slower. I don't really know. And then there's the extra special lover, which is £100 per week, which not really expecting anyone to do it, which is why I mean, I might as well just in case. But with that, it's everything that the other ones have, but you also get a phone call, which damn, you get a whole ass phone call. You gotta speak to this loser. Don't know why you'd want that. Honestly, I don't know why you'd want that. But you also get a shout out at the end of the video, and that's also gonna be a new tier of extra important shouting out. I've made the video 10 minutes now by accident by giving you this information. So with that, God and his plans. Not even religious, but damn. But yeah, that's all I can really tell you about right now, because that's all I know right now. I'm not a smart boy right now. Just going with it. But thank you guys so much. The 7 viewers, damn, 7. It's a whole week worth of people. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. I don't really know. I just wish you were here. I just wanna know, where will you go? I've been lost on my own.